Don't compare your intelligence with your teacher. They might have a PhD, sure, but that doesn't mean they're smarter than you. Some genius once said, "A degree means you passed exams, not that you passed life." And honestly, that hits hard. See, school isn't designed to find the smart ones. It's designed to find the obedient ones. Those who sit still, follow instructions, copy-paste answers, and memorize stuff they'll forget in a week. But real intelligence? It's the one that asks why, and doesn't stop until it finds the answer. It's the kid in the back, zoning out because the system is too slow for his brain. That's you. Ever asked your teacher a deeper question, and they shut it down? Stick to the syllabus. That's not important right now. Bro, not because you were wrong, but because they didn't know. Truth is, a lot of teachers stopped learning the moment they started teaching. They know the book, not the world. So if they make you feel stupid, just know you're not. You're just thinking outside their tiny box. You ever feel dumb? Even though deep down you know you think differently. That's not stupidity. That's awareness. Smart people overthink. Smart people self-doubt. Smart people sit in silence while the loud ones confidently say dumb shit. So if you feel confused, overwhelmed, like everyone's ahead of you, it might actually mean you're seeing the bigger picture. If you've got ideas no one gets, if you've got thoughts that go way too deep to even say out loud, you're not weird. You're early. The world's not ready yet, but you are.